My name is Thomas Steiner and I'm based in Vancouver. I'm the founder and CTO of Etalim. The name of the project is a 1 kilowatt electric gas wellhead remote power unit. The project is wellhead electrification. Many gas wells are located in remote areas far from electrical grid connection, and historically has made sense to power wellhead controls pneumatically using methane coming out of the ground and then venting this methane. It's now clear that this practice has to stop given the huge GHG effect of vented methane, and wellhead electrification can rapidly and very significantly reduce the oil and gas sector's emissions. The Etalim genset is ideal for electrifying remote wellheads in Canada. It can burn a small fraction of the otherwise vented methane and provide reliable baseload electricity all year round to power wellheads. Etalim's genset contains no sliding or rotating parts. There is no wear or need for lubrication. Etalim gensets can burn field gas, are ultra-reliable, long-lived, maintenance-free, and easily startable in frigid environments. Etalim's core technology is ideally suited for many other cleantech applications, such as heat pumps, cryocoolers, and combined heat and power gensets. Hopefully, success in remote power enable Etalim to make a difference in other markets as well. The Etalim genset will benefit the oil and gas industry by being the most reliable and cost-effective electrification solution. It allows oil and gas producers to substantially reduce methane venting from operations and reduce their GHG emissions. It enables producers to meet methane venting regulations for new gas wells, as well as capture carbon tax credit for emission reductions from legacy wells. Canada will benefit since the large-scale adoption of this Canadian technology will significantly reduce the methane emissions from the oil and gas sector. According to the market forecast, the GHG reduction will amount to about 7 million tons of CO2 equivalent per year by 2030. It will foster the growth of a Canadian clean tech company and provide highly skilled employment. There are export opportunities allowing other countries to improve their practices also.